You are tuned to Digital Avi. This is another video in the series of WordPress tutorials. And in this video, we will see how you can limit the number of posts per page. So let's see how we can do it. Go to the settings in left sidebar and click on reading. Now, here you can see two options. Blog pages show at most dash posts and syndication feeds show the most recent dash items. So here you can see a certain number of posts which are saved by default. So here you have to enter the number of posts you want to show on the blog page. So let's say you want to show 5 posts or 10 or 20 or 30 or 40 posts at max on your blog page. So you have to enter that corresponding number. So if I want to show maximum 20 posts per page, then I will just enter here 20 and then click on save changes. So this is how you can limit the number of posts to be shown on the blog page of your WordPress website. The another question is what will happen if you have more than 20 posts on your website, or what will happen if the blog page reaches the limit of 20 posts. So once the blog page reaches the limit of number of posts which you have set here, it will show an option of next page just after the 20th post. So the visitors coming to your website can click on the option of next page and can go to the next page to read the further blog posts. So this is how you can limit the number of blog posts per page on your WordPress website. That's all for this video. I will come up with another WordPress tutorial as soon as possible. Till the time, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay tuned to Digital Living.